Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to prepare basic 3D model in Autodesk Inventor software. So you can see I choose this drawing. This is the V block. So I will prepare this in Inventor software. You can see the base size is 125 by 45. I will take one solid block, then I will do remove material. New standard create, select sketch, surface, select center rectangle, 85 by 25. So not 25, 45 mm. 120, 45. So many options is there, friends. We can do in one sketch, but I will do step by step. Okay. So in this sketch also we can create all the V-shape features and side cutout also, but your learning purpose I will do step by step. Finish sketch. Here you can see 45 mm, extrude up to 45 mm. That's it. The base is ready. Now select surface, sketch. First I will do side cutouts. 30, height is 20 mm. Select rectangle. Give the dimension. This is 30. Finish sketch. Extrude through all. Okay. Now you can do this in a mirror option. Select mirror. Mirror is mirror. Select plane, center plane. Okay. Again select this surface, sketch, select line, V groove. I will prepare V groove. Okay. 90 degree. The gap is 5 mm each side. This side also 5 mm. That's it. Finish sketch. Remove material through all. Okay. See friends, our V block is ready. Simple V block. Save the part. Save. Now I will give some coloring here. We can assign the material also. We will assign SS stainless steel. Also tin brushed, no, silver. Okay. Okay, that's it friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.